Good afternoon, guys. My name is Hayden Fish here with i5 Dodge. Today we're going to be looking at some unique features to the Grand Cherokee L, which just came out last month, and we're super excited to show it to you guys. So this is going to be how you access the selectable drive modes and how you get the vehicle to shift. So to shift, all you're going to do is push the brake in. You're going to use what looks like a dial, and you're just going to turn it to the right. So each click is going to be a different gear for you: park, reverse, neutral, or drive. Super easy to put in. Rear view camera will pop up standard. For the selectable drive modes, super easy to do. It's typically on auto. You use this little bar just to go up or down. So you can go to snow, sand, and mud. You can go down to auto, which is what it's normally in. Or if you want to go fast, you can go into sports mode. Thank you for your time, guys. Again, my name is Hayden Fish from i5 Dodge. We're located in Chehalis, Washington. If you'd like to come and take a look or drive the Grand Cherokee L, we're located at 1560 Northwest State Ave, Chehalis, 98532. Phone number is 360-748-1717. Have a great day, guys.